So this video is going to teach you how to fix pictures that you can insert into eBay. So if you remember from a previous video, I had problems with the HIPAA filter and air filter, and I couldn't get it to save right for eBay. So eBay does not accept web files. So right here, the other problem that you'll run into is the size of the file. So when you do this, you need to know that the minimum eBay will accept is 500 pixels up to 1600. So how do you do that? So if you remember, this was the filter that we were looking at. You want to do control print screen. And what that does is takes a picture of this whole screen. Now I don't know, that's what it is on a PC. I'm not sure what it is on a Mac or an iPad if you're using an iPad, but you want to take a picture of the screen. Then you're going to go over here to what's called Canva. Canva is a free service. I started off with free. Now if you go to Canva, this is how you do it. You sign in, and then you want to create a design, or whatever other, like Paint is another service you can use. It often comes with your computer, but I use 800 by 800 and I create a design. Once I'm in here, I click on this spot and then Control V, and that'll paste the screen that I just took a picture of with Control Print Screen. Then I'm going to enlarge it, and then I come up here to the top and I crop it. So you click crop, and then you crop the picture, and you would do this for every picture that you saw back there. So you can see that now I have my very own picture that is going to actually fit in what eBay likes. So you would do that for each one of these. You would go to the next one. You would do a control, try to make it bigger because it makes it for a nicer control print screen, or whatever it is on the Mac. And you would do that for each one of them. You would add a new page, paste it. Let me just do that for you. I'm going to print screen it and paste it in there, and do the same thing, enlarge it, and then I'm going to crop it. Okay, so you just continue to do this with any of your pictures and whatever software that you can actually edit and do this type of thing with, but it's easy. Then you're going to download it, and they will be individual files that you can upload to eBay, just like you would normally upload any kind of picture to eBay, but they're going to be what eBay will accept versus if you find a product. Sometimes I used to get stuck on being able to list because I couldn't find the size of the picture that I wanted. Now the other way that you can do it is, I'm going to show you here another trick that you can use that I usually do before I actually go to Canva, is I just go back to Google and I put that in there as a search, and then I go to images. So you can go to images and you can look for that, and I found it here. That's on Amazon. That one's on Amazon. So you can look to see where it is. And sometimes if it's on a different platform, let's just go here and see if I can save image as, and it's a JPEG file. So that would save me that whole Canva process, but I just wanted to show you Canva in case you cannot find it doing with a Google search. But that's another way that you can find it. Plus, you don't always get all of them. Now, you could also click on Amazon, and you can go to Amazon and check out the pictures there, and do either the right click, save image as, and see if it'll do a web page or a JPEG. So there's another JPEG. That's the JPEG part. So you could save it and then upload it as your product pictures, and then you have a variety of different pictures that you could use for your listing, and they're very nice because Amazon only accepts the best. So that's how you can adjust and modify any picture that you need to use to sell either on your site or on your eBay store.